Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an null card to your Google Wallet. It's really easy and simple. First, you want to go ahead and download your Google Wallet from your Play Store. If you have it already, just go ahead and open it up and then tap on Add to Wallet. You'll find this at the bottom of the screen. Okay, then go ahead and tap Add a New Pass. Then choose Transit Pass from the available options, and NOL card should actually be in the list of transit systems. Okay, go ahead and select that, and then you just scan your card, or you can enter that manually as well. And then just double check all the details are correct, and just tap on Save, and you're good to go. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.